Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brand new items that called Rogue Egg in Fish It. So in this latest update, there's a new object added to the game. It looks like a giant Easter egg cell like this one, and you can find it on the Easter Island. And now what does this rogue egg actually do? Basically, this object will randomly give a rogue egg to one player in the server every 1 hour. And yes, it's completely random, so not everyone will get it at the same time. And so if you want a chance to get it, here's what you need to do. Just stay in one server and don't leave and just wait. And every 1 hour, the system will pick one random player, and if you are lucky, that could be you. And after you get that rogue egg, the egg will be follow you when you move to everywhere. And inside this rogue egg, you can get limited special items from the Easter event. But in here, unfortunately, I haven't been lucky enough to get one yet, so I can't show you what it looks like inside. But I think it's definitely worth waiting for. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.